Hi there, my name is Colin Osterhout from Circ TechOps, and I'm going to be doing a video here showing an update of software into the Managed Software Update repository, and then we're going to add that software to the managed installs for the group that this client belongs to, and walk through how the installation process works from the client's perspective. So the first thing I've already done in the background is downloading the newest version of Firefox. And I put it on my desktop and I changed the name. I don't really like spaces, so I changed the name right there. After we've done that, we're going to go ahead and import this right into our repository. I've already got it mounted here in the background, but if I didn't, it would ask me to mount it. There's already an existing version, so it's going to try to use that as a template. The name and display name is fine, description's great, version number checks out, catalogs. I start with catalog testing until I'm pretty sure it's going to work for users in production. I don't want them to have some sort of flaky installation. Alright, so once it's all done, it's copied it over, it's now presents you with the package info file. I just scan through here making sure everything looks sane. Mostly the things I look for is that there's some sort of either installs array or receipts array, for depending on the installation type. I check that the version number looks good and that minimum OS version is correct. Once that's done, it asks me if I want to rebuild the catalogs. Sounds great. Now I want to change how I'm going to add Firefox to the manifest that this client belongs to, so that hopefully Firefox, next time this client runs, we should see that it needs to install Firefox. Let's find out. Manage software update, okay. There it goes, downloading Firefox. Now I want to show you, I've already got Firefox installed on this machine. We'll see what version we've got. I've got a pretty old version. This is 10.02. By pretty old, this is probably like 5 days ago. Who knows? Everything's updating so fast these days. So it does definitely need to be updated. I'm going to go ahead and say update now. Log out, recommended. Play dangerously. Now in that package info file, you can specify what applications Managed Software Updates should have a hiccup on if it's running. Like I could say, don't install Firefox if Chrome is running for some reason. That's certainly possible. Okay, looks like it completed without error. Let's see if it worked. Hooray! It's up to date. Just to make sure, 1802 looks good. And now that appears to check out just fine in the testing catalog, what I could do now is I could go back and move it from testing into production so that clients that are quote-unquote in production would get this update. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Volumes, Monkey, packages, info, app, Firefox 18.2. There we go. Testing, production. Then we've got to say, make those catalogs. Volumes, Monkey. Okay, so I just the command make catalogs, and then wherever the repository is mounted. That's it. Looks good.